Hello, my name is Julia, and this is Space Daily News channel. On June 20, 2022, the James Webb Space Telescope spent just over an hour observing the Messier 92 globular cluster, located 27,000 light-years from Earth. The observation, one of the very first scientific observations made by Webb, is part of the early release science program, designed to help astronomers understand how to make the most of Webb's scientific capabilities. Globular clusters like M92 are very important for understanding stellar evolution. M92 is a classic globular cluster and is one of the benchmarks in stellar system research. The cluster is interesting because it is one of the oldest globular clusters in the Milky Way, if not the oldest. Astronomers believe the M92 cluster is 12 to 13 billion years old and contains some of the oldest stars in our universe. Also, the M92 cluster is very dense. It has many stars close to each other, so by looking at it, astronomers can test how Webb works in a mode where you have to measure stars that are very close together. Since all the stars belong to the same object, scientists know that they are all about the same distance from Earth. This means that the differences in brightness between the stars are unrelated to their distance. This makes measuring the stars much easier. The M92 clusters has previously been studied by astronomers using the Hubble. However, Webb operates at longer wavelengths than Hubble, which allows astronomers to observe very cold stars. Thanks to Webb, it was possible to observe stars less than 1/10 the mass of the Sun. And such observations are very interesting, because stars of this mass are close to the boundary beyond which they cease to be stars. Below this boundary, the objects are classified as brown dwarfs, which are so small in mass that no fusion reaction takes place in their interior, transforming hydrogen into helium. Also, Webb is much faster. To see very faint low-mass stars with the Hubble, it takes hundreds of hours of telescope times. With Webb, such observations takes only a few hours. Low-mass stars are interesting because first, they are the most numerous stars in the universe. Second, studying the light emitted by these low-mass stars helps to better determine the age of the globular cluster. Space Daily News. Like, share and subscribe.